Hello viewers, welcome to the course e-assessment. In this video, we are going to see about the tool Kahoot, which is an online tool which we can use in e-assessment. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform used as educational technology in schools and other educational institutions. Its learning games, Kahoots are multiple choice quizzes that allow user generation and can be accessed through a web browser or Kahoot app. Kahoot can be used to review students' knowledge for formative assessment or as a break from traditional classroom activities. Kahoot also includes trivia quizzes. All the students need is a PIN number to attend the quiz. Kahoot was founded by John Brand, Jamie Brooker and Morten Versvik in a joint project with the Norwegian University of Science and Technology. They teamed up with Professor Alf Ing Wang and were later joined by Norwegian entrepreneur Asmund Frushed. Kahoot was launched in a private beta SXX Video in March 2013 and the beta was released to the public in September 2013. Kahoot can be used to run rapid quizzes. There are pre-designed quizzes available in this platform. The student has to enter the exclusive PIN number generated by the test constructor to attend the quiz. Let us see the details of how to construct quiz through Kahoot in this video. Now we are going to see how we can create quizzes through Kahoot. Just type Kahoot in Google search, then you will get Kahoot. Go to the Kahoot website. If your teacher has already given the PIN number to attend the quiz, you can simply click this to attend the quiz. To create or to sign up, to create your own quizzes, you have to sign up first. So you can sign up for free. Just click sign up for free. See, this is where you can insert the PIN number. If you enter, you will go to the quiz which is developed by your teacher. See, it asks whether you are a teacher or a student or socially at work. So just select a teacher and sign in with your Google account. It will ask for a verification code. Then you can click yes and it will give you. This all is just to authentication. It is all the authentication to enter into that. If you click, see, now you are entered into the Kahoot site. This is the site. You can create your own quizzes by clicking create new. There are a lot of quizzes, inbuilt quizzes. See what is new at Kahoot, common mistakes in spelling, and even if you click discover Kahoot, you can see what are the what are the quizzes available. See, these are the quizzes already available. If you want to try it, you can try any quizzes. Now we are going to create a new quiz, okay? So just click create new quiz and create. If you want to select any templates, you can select any templates. Okay. If you want to add an image, you can add an image, or if you want to write your name, you can write your name. Maybe See, add questions. Now we are going to add questions. Quiz. There are different forms like quizzes. You can create quizzes by Kahoot, true or false, or puzzles, slides, and poll by using Kahoot. We can create these type of questions. Now we are going to try only quiz. Just I have selected quiz. If you want to add an image, you can add image by uploading or by YouTube link or image library, anything. Here is the column to type your question. What is Kahoot? These are the options. Game-based learning, game-based assessment. If you think that if this is the right answer, just click the right option here. Game-based learning, entertainment, or only puzzle. Now you can preview this. This will be the question form when you display the question to your students. Now exit preview and done. Just give done. Test this Kahoot, or even you can share it with others by clicking this. It will give you option to whom you want to send. You can type the email ID. See, live game simulation. Now we have clicked the test this Kahoot, and now we get this platform. You got it, and all you have to give is give the pin number. If you want to just this is the quiz we have created just now. Just click this button to play the quiz. Okay, so just classic mode, just click one. So start. If you click start, this is the game pin number. If you project this in the projector, the students can view the code and they can play. But the quiz will come only when you click this button start. See, let us play. Let me enter this pin and enter. I am just connecting. Unless I click select, I can't like open it. See, start. Just click. Waiting for the players. Just click. This is the site. I entered my name. See your nickname on the screen. See, I can see the ESS, my name on the screen. Now start. See the question. It is getting ready. Once I started, the teacher started, the question is displayed in the student screen. See, this is the question. I have to answer for this. So, see, all I have to do, the question won't be displayed, answer won't be displayed, but the symbol will be displayed. So, I have to select the right symbol. So, I have selected the right symbol. So, I got the score of 9 on right. Okay, let me move to the next. So, there is your teacher, teacher teaches. What are ELA, Max, Science? Okay, let me try this. Okay, it's a wrong answer. So, I get this. So, like this you can play the game, the quiz. So, here the score will be displayed. Whoever like score the highest mark, or all the scores will be displayed here. The pin for the game is this. So, you can project this in your classroom. The students can access the quiz by entering this pin. Not only in the computer, but they can use their mobile phone and they can download the Kahoot app in their mobile to play this game, even to create quizzes or test by using Kahoot. I hope you learned how to use Kahoot to construct questions in the form of quizzes and how to use pre-constructed quizzes in the Kahoot. Thank you.